Hello everybody. Now today we are going to continue the new exercise, and before the exercise we are going to discuss some new methods which are used to solve the sets. Now in this we are going to discuss about the Venn diagrams. Now dear students, now the things which are given about the Venn diagrams are here. I am reading. Carefully listen. Venn diagrams, the concept of the set, are better understood with the help of diagrams. These ideas was used by British logician John Venn to study set are called Venn diagrams. Now this British logician John Venn, on behalf of his discovery, the diagrams names are given as a Venn diagrams. Now dear students, the sets which we are going to represent by the diagrams, these diagrams are just like the rectangles and circles. Now rectangle generally used for universal set, representing as a universal set, and this circle is shown here, that is used for the set which is used as a normal set. Now we will see how to represent the given information in the form of Venn diagram. Now example is given here. X is the set. X is equal to, in curly bracket, A B C D. Now this X set can be represented in the form of rectangle. This X is written here, that means this is the name of the set, and this name of the set indicates inside this set element A, B, C and D are there. Now next example is also given here. Y is equal to, in curly bracket, 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11. Now this set is one of the type of odd number set. Now this is shown in the circle. Y is written here, that means Y set. This is the set Y, and 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, all these numbers are written here inside the diagram. This type of diagram are known as a Venn diagrams. Now new term from this exercise we are going to learn, that is the subset. Now dear students, this subset is indicated by this horizontal U, this English letter U. We have to write horizontal, and we have to write one single horizontal line below that sign. So it is called as a subset. Subset means what? If A and B are two sets such that every element of set B is an element of the set A, the set B is said to be subset of set A. Now dear students, we have to understand properly what is the meaning of subset. Now two sets are given here. One is a bigger set. It contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. These elements. Set A contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 elements, and set B, inside the set B there are 5, 6 and 7 elements are written. Now keep in your mind, as we have to see that the elements which are present already in set A, all elements containing set B are present inside set A. That means set B is subset of set A. That means 5, 6 and 7 already it is present inside the set A. So the elements which are present in the set B are already present in the set A. That's why we can say that set B is the subset of set A. Another example, it can be represented by the Venn diagram also. This bigger circle is set A, and inside the set A bigger circle another small circle is shown here. In bigger circle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, all these numbers are written Now this small circle is under the big circle, and this big circle is represented by set A. Now this set A is having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 all these elements, but inside this big circle B is written and small circle is there, and this small circle only contains 5 6 7. That means 5 6 7, the elements which are present in the set B already in the element of already are the elements of set A. That's why we can write B, this sign of subset of set A. Set B is subset of set A. Set B is subset of set A, and it is represented like this. Now we can move ahead towards our next point, that is universal set. Now dear students, universal set means what? The universal set is denoted by English letter U. It is generally represented by the rectangle in Venn diagrams. Now as I earlier explained you, this rectangle is used to represent universal set. Universal set means what? The set which is biggest set among the all sets, that is considered as a universal set. Now for example, we have to understand this rectangle is used for universal set, and in this two sets are there, A and A dash. Now we have to understand complement of set. We have understand already what are the subset. Now we have to understand complement of the set. Complement of the set, universal set represented by U, it is equal to, in curly bracket, A, B, C, D, E, F and G. Now inside the universal set, set A is present and say set A dash is present. Now set A contains B, D, F and A dash remaining all the elements which are from the universal set. Now keep in your mind, these both set are inside the universal set, and this A, this circle contains only B, D, F, and other than these elements, the elements which are outside the circle, they are also inside the universal set. They are complement of each other. Complement means what? A contains B, D, F and A dash contains A, E, C and G. Now dear students, we will move ahead with our exercise number 1.3. Now exercise number 1.3, first question is like this: if A, set A contains A, B, C, D, E and B, C, D, E, F, C, B, D and D, set D represent A, E. Now question is like this: which of the following statements are true and which are the false? Now just we have to answer whether the statements are given true or false. Now these are the indications are shown by the sign. Now this sign indicates subset sign. Okay, now this set C we can call like this: set C is subset of set B. Now we have to see whether the all elements which are present in the set C are inside the set B or not. Now we can see set B contains C, D, E and F. Now set C contains B and D only. Now we have to find whether this B and D, all these two elements are present in the set B or not. Now we are seeing that only D is there, B is not there. That's why this first statement is false. Now first statement is what? False. Now second statement is given here: A, set A is subset of set D. Now set D is only having A and E. Now we have to see set A contains A, B, C, D, E. Now the statement is given in the wrong form, that set A is subset of set D, but as we say set D is subset of set A, that means D contains A and E and which are present in A, but statement is given in wrong format. A is subset of D, that's why it is also a false statement, because all elements which are present in A are not present in D. What is the method to understand the subset point? Is the set which is given first has to be all element present in next set. Now D is subset of B. Now we have to see D is subset of B. B contains C, D, E, F and D contains A and E only, but A is not present in the B, that's why it is also called as a false statements. Now as I explained just, D is subset of A, we can say that D is the subset of A. It is the true sentence or true condition, that means that D contains A and E and all A and D are present in set A. This is the method to understand. Now fifth question is given, condition is given, B is subset of A, B is subset of A, B contains C, D, E, F. Now A contains C, D, E and F is not there, that means it is false. All elements of the set, small set, has to be present in bigger set. Now C is the subset of A, we have to see that B and D is there and B and D are present in the set A, that's why we can take this statement is true. Now dear students, next question number 2 is like this. Take the set of natural numbers from 1 to 20 as a universal set and show set X and Y using Venn diagrams. Now set X and Y is given here, which is written already, and it is written like this. The meaning of this set is called X. Set X is equal to, X is such that X belongs to natural number and 7 is smaller than X and X is smaller than 15. So we have to draw the Venn diagram of the particular question, and the Venn diagram we have to show by the universal set X. So universal set we can show that in rectangle shape, so we can easily show that this is the universal set. So we can write U like this, and we have to collect all 1 to 20 natural numbers. So we can write like this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now X contains above 7. Above 7 means what? 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19 and 20. We can take in another side and we can draw this shape. We can draw the circle also, and we can give the name as a X. That means X set is inside the universal set, and this universal set is of all 20 numbers, 20 natural number from 1 to 20. But X contains only the bigger number than 7 and smaller number than 15. That's why it is written 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 and 14 separately inside the X, and other elements which are present inside the universal set are written separately. Now next question is like this: Y is such that Y belongs to natural number and Y is a prime number from 1 to 20. Now we have to just show this diagram in Venn diagram format. Now universal set we have to show by rectangle, and this rectangle is called as a universal set. Now among these 1 to 20, which are the prime numbers? Dear students, I have explained many times, prime numbers are those numbers which are coming in their own tables only, and they can divide it by itself and one only. So among 1 to 20, the prime numbers we can write in y set, and we can show like this type of diagram: 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17 and 19. Among the first 20 elements, these 8 numbers are called as a prime numbers, and other numbers which are remaining from 1 to 20, they are 1, 4, 6, 8, 9, 10, 12, 14, 15, 16, 18 and 20. So like this we have to draw the Venn diagram, and remaining question we'll see in next video. Thank you.